So this is all from Stater Brothers. It's our local grocery store. And let me show you everything I got. I feel like I haven't done a grocery haul in forever, right? So let's get started. Oh, I want to first show you too. We got a new table. And these are the seats. Isn't that cool? So cool. The kids love it, by the way. I love it. Okay, anyways, let's get started. I got it from World Market too, by the way. Opening up my Weight Watcher app, and I am on the green plan in case you guys are new. So what I'm going to do now is scan some of the items that I'm not sure what the points are, just double check with you guys, but let's just get started. So I'm going to start right here with the drinks. I actually tried this at my sister-in-law's and it was really good. I'm not sure if this was a flavor. I think the flavor she had was lime. I just pinched my finger. But it says 0 calories, 0 sweeteners, 0 calories per can. Have any of you guys tried these? And if so, what's your favorite flavor? I just thought I would like lemon because I like lemon in my water anyways. So yeah, I got this and there's 8 cans in there. It is a little pricey though, so I hope I don't get too like addicted to this stuff because that will be a little expensive. And of course, 0. Can you guys see that? Okay. Oh my gosh, I dropped my phone. Is it alive? It's alive. Sometimes I like to have a beer or two. One of my favorites is Corona Lights with a lime in it. 99 calories, and as far as points, it's 3 points per bottle. The reason why I like the green plan too is because I always have leftover points by the end of the day. I don't fill them up too quickly, and then I have enough points for like 1 or 2 of these, which is, you know, pretty cool. Next, I've got my Poppables. I think I've shown these in my last video. They are one of my favorite snacks as of now when it comes to wanting chips, like when I'm craving the chips, the salt. These Poppables have sea salt in it. The kids absolutely love it. And they are, I believe, 2 points a bag. Let me double check for you guys. Yes, 2 points per little bag. So that, got some cabbage because I am going to be making a salsa verde chicken tostada, and I like to have cabbage on it. I like to eat the cabbage plain as well. I like to scrunch it up and then put a little sea salt on it and just eat it like that. It is so good. A little bit of lemon or lime juice. Oh my gosh, you guys just try it. Just try it. And that's 0 points. Okay, next I got bananas. We love bananas in our house. I did get some of these dessert shells. These are really good for like strawberry shortcakes. You put strawberries in it, and then the Cool Whip, the sugar-free Cool Whip. And then the only thing you would be counting as points is one of these. And that is, let's see, I can't remember the points on this. I haven't had it since I've been back on Weight Watchers, so let's see. Okay, so it's actually 4 points for one of the sponges. I thought it was 2, but it's okay because you're gonna have strawberries and Cool Whip, and it'll only be 4 points, which is really good. Sometimes I like to crumble one of these up and then do like layer and layer of the strawberries and stuff. You'll see that probably in one of my favorite recipes that I like to share now. So you might see that come up soon in like a future video. Okay, next is the Beef Franks. These are the 97% fat free. I heard about these from Skinny Dish a long time ago. Her name was Daily Dose of Pepper, but like she's the one that introduced these to me. 45 calories, and when you scan them on the green plan, I'm not sure what they are on the other plans, but on green plan they are 1 point for one of them. Really good. I don't even like hot dog buns, but we got hot dog buns anyways for the family. But for me, I could just have these by themselves. It's so good. Okay, moving over to this side, we are gonna be making some chili. We got the 30% less sodium chili seasoning mix, and we're gonna actually use ground turkey for that. I will film me making it so then you guys could see what I used exactly, but we did get the tomato paste for that. So we got that. And then these are just for the kids for, you know, the rainy, lazy days when they just want their soup and yeah, you know how kids are with the outside. Like, if this was just plain chicken noodle soup, they'd be like, no, but because of Paw Patrol, my son will be like, okay, and because of Frozen, my daughter will be like, okay, that's just the way it goes. Okay, here's some kidney beans for the chili. Right here's diced tomatoes. I got some of these because I have been making now the 0 Point marinara sauce in the crock pot. If you guys aren't familiar with that, I could put a link down below. It's 0 Points. It makes a lot of it, and I like to mix it on my noodles or cauliflower pizza. If you guys have seen my Instagram post on Mama Eats Avocado, I do show that as well. I found the recipe from the Weight Watcher community, which I love. Shout out, girls. Okay, now we got some almond milk. I always get the unsweetened almond milk, not vanilla flavor or anything, just unsweetened. My daughter likes this in her cereal, and I like to add it to my cream of wheat or just any kind of recipe that needs milk. I use this. Okay, showed that ground turkey for the chili. Then got some pears. Pears are actually really good to also slice up and put in oatmeal. I think that tastes so good. Or if you have any like plain Greek yogurt, you could always add some fresh sliced pears. So good. Now we got the bread coming up. So this is the Nature's Own bread. I have been liking the butter one, but they ran out. So this is my first time trying the whole wheat, but the butter bread is really good. Let me scan this one. Okay, so this one is 2 points per slice, just like the butter one. But like I said, it's all they had. Okay, so this is for the pepperoni, the turkey pepperoni cauliflower that I like. So I got this cauliflower. I usually get the one from Trader Joe's because I think it's so good. This one's okay, but I feel like the marinara sauce that I make now will overpower the blandness, if that's a word, of this. So yeah, I got this, and then I just put the marinara sauce, and then I add turkey pepperoni, and it is so good. So for the turkey pepperoni, the reason why I get that one is because it's lower in points, and it's 2 points for 17 slices, and I usually just lower the slices to make it only 1 point. And yeah, so got that. Then I got my Morningstar sausage patties. I like to crumble these, add them in omelets, or just have it by itself. Create a morning breakfast sandwich. These are so good. They taste better than regular sausage, and it's 1 point per patty. Then we just got some Black Forest ham from the deli, and then some roast beef, and then my husband got some marinated meat here. I don't know what that's for, but if it seems legit, then I'll film that for you guys and let you see what he makes. You know, he has a cooking channel, but he doesn't upload on it anymore. It makes me sad. Okay, moving on. I got some boneless, skinless chicken breast tenders. This is for the salsa verde chicken tostadas that I'm gonna make. The recipe was found on Skinny Taste, and I've had it before. It's really good. Then I got some sugar-free brownie mix. I'm not sure what I'm gonna use this for. I don't think I'm gonna use it just for brownies. I might just use the stuff for another kind of recipe. I just gotta search and find something. If you guys have any ideas, let me know, and I could try it. Any dessert ideas. Okay, this is for the kids in the morning. Just blueberry muffin mix. Got cucumbers. I'm all about cucumber with tahini and lemon. So good. If you have not tried that, you need to try it. Chicken broth, so when I want to just crock pot some chicken, make shredded chicken. Got the reduced fat Mexican 4 cheese blend for the tostadas. Got diced onions, and that's part of the marinara sauce. There's the rest for the marinara sauce. A lot. I told you, it makes a whole bunch of sauce that lasts. This is for the tostadas. It's we actually are gonna try the jalapeno one because the kids don't eat that stuff. So we were like, let's just make it a little spicier with some jalapenos. We got these broccoli florets. So this We actually don't steam them or anything. We just take them out, and the kids like it as is, and I do too, just like this. Got the corn tortillas, eggs, and then we've got our fruit here. Got strawberries. This is for the strawberry shortcakes, and then watermelon, of course, and then sliced mushrooms. I like mushrooms just like this. I like them in salads. I like them in the morning with eggs scrambled. I love me some mushrooms. Got some asparagus. I like these too, just with a little bit of olive oil and sea salt on top, and it's perfect just that way for me. I'll put them in the air fryer to actually make them too. Super good. Got some blueberries. I think I want to make like some kind of blueberry cookie or something. Or, I don't know, a blueberry granola. Oh, I forgot the granola. I knew I forgot something. Okay, and then these apples. We do have full apples, but sometimes, you know, we just like to get these for the kids when we're okay, you know, to buy them. But yeah, that is everything. And by the way, these are 0. That's why if you're new to Weight Watchers, you're like, why isn't she telling me the points? Well, that's 0. So, yeah, this is everything that I got today. And I hope you guys enjoyed it. Bye.